每到寒冬时节，捷克的村庄就会迎来一年一度的传统盛事——屠宰节。
Zabijačka。
这不仅是一场食物的准备，更是一场承载着历史与文化的仪式。在摩拉维亚等地区，这项习俗已经流传了数百年。它的起源与农业社会的生活方式息息相关。过去，捷克的农村家庭通常会在深冬举行屠宰节，因为寒冷的天气有助于保存肉类，减少腐坏的风险。其次，在农忙结束后，这是一个家族团聚的好时机，亲友们可以共同劳动，制作足够过冬的食物。最后，这也是一种庆祝与分享的传统。屠宰节不只是为了家人准备食材，更是整个村庄的盛事。邻里之间会互相帮忙，甚至交换制作的肉品，增进彼此的情谊。然而，随着都市化与现代卫生规范的影响，这样的传统正在逐渐消失。曾经几乎每个农村家庭都会举行屠宰节，但如今许多人选择直接从超市购买肉品，年轻一代也越来越少参与。尽管如此，在一些地方，这项传统仍然存续。今天就让我们一起聊聊捷克的冬日，探索这场曾经是农村生活核心的传统，感受一场跨越世代的味觉与文化盛宴。
Zabijačka. Co je to zabijačka?
Oh, you're talking about the celebration in Czech.
Yes, this was a Czech language. I want to only experience the sound. But name is Zabijačka. If I translate, it's very brutal, okay? So I want to say my feeling. I describe my feeling, which is like celebration, family reunion, friends reunion. You've been twice on Zabijačka. How was it? Which emotion?
It's very similar to Taiwanese Chunjiu.
I know, but what is important that this is outdoor during winter.
I remember that was in a suburban area and was like a massive celebration. I think it's a celebration about like family and friends come together and have fun. This is how I feel. But it was very long day and basically it's like a lot of food, but only pork.
Yes, because historically when people doesn't have fridge and doesn't have how to store meat, so must be in winter, and the whole family come, and we really live pig we kill and we make it so many products. We eat actually everything, organs, everything.
Yeah, I remember because I was shocked that you guys ate the pork blood in soup.
In soup.
It's same as like Taiwanese pork blood soup,
Yes.
but a different shape.
The blood is liquid, yes or no?
Yes, but in Taiwan, you know, we make it into like a little cube.
We put the water and inside there is going all of meat and all of organs and everything, and it become like a lot of soup. And that organ after that use it and we put it, make it tlačenka. Do you remember tlačenka?
Yeah.
How we describe tlačenka?
It's like a massive jelly sausage.
Yes.
So it's like you eat it cold, as I
Yes.
remember. You eat it cold, and normally you cut into slice. It's like massive like this, and you eat with vinegar and bread
And raw onion.
and raw onion,
Raw onion.
and beer, of course.
If you come to Czech Republic and you come to good pub, you don't need to go to Zabijačka. Go to good pub and no problem. You can buy, you can taste it, and usually it's very good everywhere because we
What is
are
it
number
called
one.
again?
Tlačenka is
Tlačenka.
Czech pub food, and it's actually very healthy. Do you know why?
Why?
Because there is so much skin and the
Oh, you mean
this
like a collagen?
It's full of collagen, so you don't
It's
need
good
to
for
eat
woman.
Tak, let's talk about how we dress up when we go have Zabijačka. This is like, how we call it? What is the name? Janko. Janko, and this is like a Janko style of pants. The most important, good shoes, you know, good shoes. Important, warm clothes. Put it like this because we are working with the meat. This is our traditional vini, we call it, this is a zmijovka. This is like snake, that's a special snake, you know, like shape of the snake. And still because it's cold and we want to be happy, wine, na zdraví. Na zdraví. Hotala.
Okay, so Zabijačka. So let's quickly go back in my childhood, how I remember this. And I remember we start very early, maybe 6 o'clock. Cold, -10, -15. Inside, usually women are inside preparing garlic, onion, and we boys bring pig from, how we call it, stable. We say chlevek, sklevka, Czech language is chlevek, no. And we bring him, kill him, and after that start process of cleaning of that hair, which we need a lot of hot water, so with steam, big, how we call it?
To like a diesel tank.
And so from there, a lot of hot water, boys cleaning, after that pig is hang out on a back leg, and you cut it, take it organs, everything out, and that organs, of course, you wash it, put it in hot water, and start the process of cooking. Of course, it's cold, so slivovica, hlavní řezník, that man who is going to kill that pig. It's like was my grandpa,
Yeah.
and after that was my dad, and after
that was you.
Was me. No, and what is important that you need to have this one, because my grandpa, he always said that he will have that his hands will be more precise. Do you understand?
Yeah.
No. So this, and after that, when you feel cold, what we drink in Czech Republic when we are cold?
Beer.
When we are cold.
Slivovica.
And when we are even more cold?
What's it called?
Mulled wine.
A mulled wine.
Svařené víno.
Oh, yeah.
Describe, please, how is the atmosphere, because you love it, so tell me.
But in Czech Republic, basically, you drink everything. Like, you drink
No, but we
mulled
talk about
wine,
very
so-
cold, when it's very cold, plus Zabijačka, so that feeling, and that smell. What is inside of herbs?
So like a mulled wine in Czech is a bit different because they put a lot of spice, like star anise, cloves, a lot of herbs. So when you are doing like this celebration, you have something hot, like a mulled wine, very hot, just warm out your whole body, going through your throat and just extremely warm. So it was a very nice feeling. When you are doing something outdoor, minus, and you have something hot, it's like very nice.
Okay, and time is going, and now already first dish of Zabijačka is pork livers. You take it out from the kotlina, how we call it. We cut it, slice, and podbradek. Podbradek is here from pig.
Pork neck.
It's this.
Cheek.
That fat part, that fat part, and that fat part is you slice it as well. So that livers, they are represent bread.
Right.
So you have livers, podbradek, this fat, a lot of raw onion, a lot of horseradish, křen.
Oh, kachen. Kachen is like a Taiwanese wasabi.
Yes, but this is Czech, is white, and we fresh one, we shred it and put it a lot, and a lot of salt. Salt helps you to digest and for your stomach. And eat like this. You eat like this. Everything is falling down, and you eat. And this is again slivovica, mulled wine, and this, the best combination. And a group of people. This is the first meal and the best one, because you are already hungry. So after that, we literally start to make products like tlačenka, jitrnice, jelita, so many things. Whole my family, we have our own duty. So for example, my dad is expert about jelita, which is the black sausage. My uncle, he's expert on škvarky. Describe škvarky. What is škvarky?
Škvarky is like deep fried pork fat, and it become like a cracker,
Yes.
crispy.
Yes.
So it's like
golden
a
color.
crispy pork skin.
Yes. No, and after that is lunch, which means that already meat is ready. So we eat meat. From brain we make sauce. Brain
From
sauce.
brain.
It's very delicious. A lot of garlic. Unbelievable. When I was kids, I didn't like it. When I become older, I love it. And of course cabbage, that our traditional sauerkraut cabbage, this one. Soup, And after that, times fly, boom, 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 boom. And people start singing.
Prenocuj ty škvarky, šohaj do rána. Alež mi dala dobré vínko z poháru. Prenocuj ty škvarky, šohaj do rána.
Ještě, že máte ten sklad.
A v Zarazicách krajní dům.
V Zarazicách krajní dům. Měl jsem já tam krajárečku, Bože můj.
People start dancing, and people start to be happy, and become dark. And after that, the most important job is for very responsible person. That blood soup, there is a lot of fat, okay, and when it's cool down, that fat make a protection of heat. If you don't mix it, it gets off overnight.
So you mean somebody need to like still stir it
All
overnight?
night, yes.
So it's like somebody who can party until next morning. They are doing this job.
Yes.
Wow.
But important is always be happy and na zdraví.
Na zdraví.
Take one action. Co je zabijačka?
Zabijačka to je víceméně taková v dnešní době už jenom tradice. To už málo v které rodině se už jako provádí. A když se prostě rodina sejde, tak prostě si udělají tu zabijačku a je to taková rodinná tradice.
Kdy se dělá zabijačka?
Zabijačka se dělá většinou na podzim nebo převážně v zimě. Prostě, aby chládlo sádlo.
Jaký je závěr zabijačky? Kdy končí zabijačka?
No, zabijačka končí, až se celé prase zpracuje. Prostě zabijačka na té dědině je taková, že z toho prasete se zužitkuje úplně všechno. Tam zůstanou po tom praseti živě akorát štětiny.
Jak bys doporučil tajvanským našim zákazníkům českou zabijačku?
Doporučil. Prostě každý národ má svoje chutě, svoje zvyky, ale ten český národ prostě tu zabíjačku si vychutnává tím, že se prostě skonzumuje to prase celé, takže českému člověkovi chutnají všechny výrobky z té zabíjačky.
No. Can you please tell us in English what does it mean zabijačka?
I don't speak English.
Zabijačka is the tradition. The main reason what to do it is to have a joy, to have
with family.
With family to come together. Yes.
Zabijačka je nádherná věc. Je to příležitost setkání celé rodiny. Přijde, zabíje se prase, musí se všechno uvařit, všechno zpracovat jako tak, aby to bylo od první až do posledního krutku, nebo já bych řekl ocásku, všechno se zpracovalo. Naposledy se vaří polívečka, která teď za chvilku budeme vařit, takže je to nádherné setkání pro celou rodinu při jídle, pití, slavnostní takového zimního slunovratu, jak bych řekl, před Vánocí nebo po Novém roku, to už je jedno.
Proč se dělá zimně?
V zimě se hlavně dělá kvůli tomu, že nalícou muchy, takže vlastně maso lépe chladne, aby do toho, no prostě, aby muchy vlastně do toho nenadělali. Takže krásně počasí vlastně nepřispívá k zabíječce, ale je potřeba chlad, který to maso vychladí, jitrnice, jelita, tlačenka, co se všechno při té zabíječce vyrábí, všechno je potřeba, na to je potřeba chlad a ne horko. Takže všechno je potřeba vychladit. Takže se to dává hned z kotla přímo do sklepa, nebo se to vychladí venku, pokud mrzne, tak jak je dneska třeba sníhuje tady krásně, takže to je nádhera.
Dobré, děkujeme, to je ono, děkujeme.
A ty pásky luka, našel jsem já kluka, kdo kdo mě ho promění, kdo mě ho promění, Miladová neděj. Kdo mě ho promění, kdo mě ho promění, Miladová neděj. Kdo nepromění, táho do cymbála. Muzika bude hrát do bílého rána. Muzika bude hrát do bílého rána. Do bílého rána. A děnica ví.
Hey guys, I was talking enough. Talking is talking, but be there. Experience it, you know, the drinks, that smell, that food, atmosphere, that beautiful song of people who are happy, that connection with family, honey.
Exactly, because once you are there, your personal experience is
undescribable.
Yes, I have no words for it, but you just have to be there because this culture is really dying, and this celebration is only held in a place where my husband come from.
Moravia.
If you guys really want to experience,
Extraordinary. See you there.